Maintenance is a key success factor for a solar PV power plant. Like in any power plant, a solar PV plant requires the following types of maintenance: predictive, preventive, and corrective. Preventive maintenance. It includes routine inspection and servicing of equipment which help to prevent breakdowns and reduce energy yield losses. Preventive maintenance is usually a scheduled activity. Corrective or breakdown maintenance includes repair of broken down equipment and is usually reactive. It tries to repair or replace components when damage is caused due to natural or man-made disasters. For example, atmospheric phenomenon such as wind, storms, etc. can damage any component in the system. Condition-based monitoring involves monitoring of equipment condition and plant operations on a real-time basis. It addresses a potential problem at a very early stage to prevent downtime. This requires a robust plant performance monitoring system.